Here, we're going to be turning on the Coredy L900 for the first time because we have set it up on our app, and the first thing we need to do is reset the device first. It says press and hold power and recharge button simultaneously for around 3 seconds until the power button is flashing purple slowly.
Wi-Fi reset successfully.
Yeah, that purple light, that means I can now move on towards activating my device. So here we are, we have reset, and we have pressed confirm, so we got that confirm, and now we're going to press next, and here we go. So connect your mobile phone to your device's hotspot, so go to connect, here we are connected, and perfect. And now I want to connect to my Coredy Robot 800 7C7. So for the constructions, it's going to say connect your hotspot below Coredy Robot. So here we are. So I'm in my settings. I'm going to go to add network, right? And then I'm here connecting to my Coredy Robot, so that when I go to my screen here, I confirm hotspot connection and I go to next.
Wi-Fi pairing.
Now we're pairing with our Coredy L900.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected. So we are successfully paired our Coredy L900, and we are done. This is what you're going to see when you turn on your device for the first time. It's going to start it's going to want to map out your room, and you can start suction power more. You can see how much the no-go zone area, how much time, how much batteries left. You can pretty much do everything all in this app. And I'm going to let it map out my room here so you can see how to use this in your home setting.
Start audio cleaning. Resume cleaning. Charging.
So just to recap, so when I have this Coredy L900, I have the ability to schedule, remote control, find my robot, remap, water mopping level. I have my cleaning history, my voice language and volume, silent mode. It will tell you your maintenance, so how much side brush is remaining, how much of your main brush is remaining, when you have to replace your HEPA filter. So it's going to give you all that information in its settings. And you can also control its suction LV. And suction LV is just what it means when you're like, hey, I want it to run quiet, I want it to run standard, I want it to run max. And those are all how much suction power it's going to be utilizing, and that suction power is directly related to how much power it's going to be, how much noise it's going to create.